All right, everyone. This is a continuation of my first video I did on gizmos, and right now what we're going to do is solve this algebraically. So we went over the visual representation. Now here is how we can do this using our algebra. And as we go through this, what you're going to actually find is that we're using the same steps that we used with the visual representation. So the first thing is we have to get all the constants on one side and all the variables on the other. And what I'm going to do is get this plus 2 or this 2. I'm going to get rid of it. So the first thing I need to do is subtract 2. And when I subtract 2, what have I done? I've created a zero pair. It doesn't exist anymore. So what must I do here? I must do the same thing to the opposite side of the equation. 6 take away 2 is 4. 2x we are left with. All right, so basically what does this represent? It represents, if you remember, this. These represent the x's. And what am I doing here? I am taking and dividing the constants on the other side into two equal groups. And the reason it's two equal groups is because there are two x's. So they're going in here and they're going in here. So what did I do here? I took the coefficient, which is two x's, and I divided them by 2 to get what 1x would be. We want to know just what one of these would be. And if I do that to this side, I am left with, becomes 1, x equals 2, which is the exact same thing we got here. One of these x's equals 2. And that is why I wanted to show you the visual representation.